Holy cow, folks. Apple just dropped the iPhone 17, and while it got some shiny new tricks, I'm here to drop a truth bomb. There are mind-blowing Android phones out there that'll give you way more bang for your buck at the same $799 price, or even less. All right, let's not waste any time. The latest Apple event had everyone buzzing. But if you're thinking about dropping your hard-earned cash on the iPhone 17, hit pause. I've got 5 Android phones that are straight-up game changers, and I'm going to walk you through why they're better picks. Grab a snack, settle in, and let's dive into why Android's stealing the show in 2025. All right, first up, we got the Google Pixel 10. This is the iPhone 17's direct rival. Same $799 starting price. Same base model vibe in Google's lineup. But if I had to pick one, Pixel 10, hands down, every single time. Why? Let's talk cameras first. The iPhone 17's dual camera setup is decent. Don't get me wrong, new sensors, solid low-light shots. But the Pixel 10? It's like carrying a pro photographer in your pocket. You got a 48-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. That telephoto lens? It's a total game-changer for zooming in on distant subjects without losing detail, something the iPhone 17 just can't do. Then there's the software. Google's AI is on another level. Ever been in a coffee shop, heard a banger of a song, and wondered what it was? Pixel's Now Playing feature pops up the song title like magic. Or how about Call Assist? It screens spam calls and even handles customer service hold times for you. And don't sleep on a Pixel Screenshots app. It's weirdly useful for organizing your captures. Compare that to Apple's new Liquid Glass UI and Apple Intelligence, which, honestly, feel like they're playing catch-up. Google's material-free expressive design also makes the Pixel 10 feel fresh and fun to use. Oh, and the Pixel 10's got a sleek design with vibrant colors, a gorgeous display, and, get this, built-in magnets that work like MagSafe, wireless charging, accessories, the whole deal. If you're torn between the iPhone 17 and the Pixel 10, trust me, go Pixel. You won't regret it. Next up, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25, another $799 Android beast that goes toe-to-toe with the iPhone 17. Now, I'll be real. I lean toward the Pixel 10 for camera and software, but the Galaxy S25 has some serious advantages that might sway you. First, let's talk power. The iPhone 17's A19 chip is no slouch, but the Galaxy S25 Snapdragon 8 Elite is a monster. It's neck and neck with Apple's chip, perfect for gaming, multitasking, or anything you throw at it. Plus, the S25 matches the iPhone 17 Slim, lightweight vibe way better than the slightly bulkier Pixel 10. If you're all about that sleek, premium feel, Samsung's got you covered. Camera-wise, the S25 rocks a triple camera setup, including a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. It's not quite as zoom-happy as the Pixel 10, but it still leagues ahead of the iPhone 17's no telephoto setup. And let's not forget Galaxy AI, Samsung's answer to Apple Intelligence. From real-time translations to enhanced photo editing, it's powerful and polished. Pixel 10 or Galaxy S25. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either. Both are direct iPhone 17 competitors, but they bring more to the table for the same price. Which one's calling your name? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious. Okay, let's shake things up. If you're cool stepping outside the direct iPhone competitor box, the OnePlus 13 is an absolute steal at just $599. Yeah, you heard that right. $200 less than the iPhone 17, and it's bringing some serious heat. Picture this. A massive 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a sharp resolution and buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. If you were bummed about Apple ditching the iPhone 17 Plus this year, the OnePlus 13 is your big screen hero. It's not for everyone. Big phones can be a handful, but if you love watching videos or gaming on a larger display, this thing's a dream. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip keeps everything screaming fast, whether you're playing Genshin Impact or juggling a million apps. The triple camera system, with a 2x optical zoom telephoto lens, is super solid for everyday shots. But the real kicker? Battery life. This thing lasts 2 days on a single charge. And with 80 watts wired charging, you're back to 100% in no time. The iPhone 17's charging speeds? Let's just say they're still stuck in the slow lane. For $599, the OnePlus 13 are as proof you don't need to spend iPhone money to get a flagship experience. Who else loves a good budget-friendly banger? Let me know. Now, if you're still set on that $799 price point, but want something that stands out, say hello to the Nothing Phone 3. One glance at this thing, and you'll see why Android's so exciting. The transparent back, quirky camera placement, and that cool glyph matrix screen in the corner, it's like nothing else out there, pun intended. Beyond the eye-catching design, the Nothing Phone 3 delivers. Its 6.67-inch display is vibrant. Performance is snappy, and it's got super fast charging that's only a hair behind the OnePlus 13R. Oh, and yes, it's got a triple camera setup with a 3x optical zoom telephoto lens, leaving the iPhone 17 in the dust for versatility. Sure, the Nothing Phone 3 isn't as crazy a value as the OnePlus 13R, but if you're tired of cookie-cutter phones and want something that screams personality, this is your pick. Anyone else obsessed with unique phone designs? Tell me your favorite in the comments. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the Motorola Razr 2025. This one's for the folks who want something wildly different. For just $699, $100 less than the iPhone 17, you're getting a phone that folds in half. Yeah, while Apple's still dreaming of a foldable iPhone, Motorola's out here living the future. When open, the Razr's 6.9-inch inner display is big, beautiful, and perfect for all your apps. But the magic happens when you fold it shut. The 3.6-inch cover screen lets you use apps, check notifications, or even take selfies without unfolding. It's like having a compact phone and a big phone in one pocket-friendly package. The Razr 2025 also comes in stunning colors: navy blue, seafoam green, pink, and a sleek gray/silver. Pair that with a fast chipset, 256 gigabytes of storage, and surprisingly good cameras, though no telephoto lens here, and you got a total winner. For $699, this foldable is a bold reminder of how much more exciting Android can be. So, there you have it. 5 Android phones that, in my book, outshine the iPhone 17 in 2025. Whether it's the Pixel 10's killer cameras and AI, the Galaxy S25's raw power, the OnePlus 13RS insane value, the Nothing Phone 3 standout style, or the Razr 2025's foldable flair, Android's got options that Apple just can't match. Look, I'm not saying the iPhone 17 is bad. It's got a slick design, a 120Hz display, and that A19 chip is no joke. But for the same price or less, these Android phones bring more versatility, personality, and value to the table. Which one of these is your pick? Are you Team Pixel, Team Foldable, or maybe you're still rocking with Apple? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get the conversation going. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss my next tech breakdown. Until then, keep exploring, keep geeking out, and I'll catch you in the next one.